Last week, a friend of mine from my past life asked me a question you probably get asked as well. With the entire world being impacted by high interest rates, bank closures and recession, how's your business doing? Are you making good money? How do you answer this question? Now, in a few minutes, I will share how I handled this question, but let me first shine some light on your business. Most of the time, people who are looking to build an online business get stuck. They have a great idea but don't have the consistency to execute it. They can create amazing content that drives traffic but don't have the time or the patience to do it themselves. They don't have the time to create the big volume of content needed today to really grow. Plus, they usually don't have the motivation or strategy to get it out in front of potential leads and buyers. So have you felt the same? Sitting on a money-making idea but struggling to execute? In my experience, most of the time, success comes down to consistent action. And in business, the only logical thing to do is putting world-class content out there every single week, all the time. And you do this with content that ranks, content that gets social traffic, content that gets a sale. In this video, I will share how you can completely automate your content creation and marketing using the power of any video and an AI engine powered by ChatGPT. So the next time your friend asks you that scary question about your business, you don't have to feel embarrassed. Look, it's no secret that if you want to get traffic, you need to get good content out there that does two things. Number one, it sits on page 1 of Google and it gets traffic from social media. That's number 2, all the time. Now, according to Moz, content and SEO go hand in hand. Without one, your efforts on the other are seriously diminished. Neil Patel, who's an SEO giant, says that SEO is all about content marketing. And then both Moz and Neil Patel have a presence on social media. They use it to drive traffic on demand. Content is king. So what's the problem? See, you cannot just use any content. You need high authority, search engine friendly, and 100% human readable content. Content that won't get flagged as fake by Google. More on that in a minute. You need content that can also get shares and clicks from, say, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Content that is proven to convert traffic into fans and sales. Now, there are 3 main ways you can get that kind of content. You can write your own, which works if you're amazing at writing good content every single week. Or you can hire a ghostwriter, which works really well but can get expensive very quickly. Or you can use software, which works because it's automated but the quality can be questionable. All these methods have their problems, and I speak from experience. See, when I was done building my website, I needed content to rank it. So I did what anyone would do. I started writing. I spent hours and hours researching, reading, and then writing articles, but it consumed so much of my time, and it certainly wasn't something I enjoyed doing. Over time, I lost motivation to write, and that website got buried in the virtual dust. I bet that's happened to you at some point in your business. Am I right? See, if you're in it for the long run, writing the content yourself is not the most viable solution. After a while, I decided to build another blog, and this time I thought I would outsource the task of content writing. So I go to the cheapest platform on the internet, which is Fiverr, and I ended up paying $100 for a 1,000-word article. Now, don't get me wrong, the content was good, but I was spending too much money on a platform known for $5 gigs, and this was all back in 2016. If you want the same kind of content today, you'll be paying lots more money for something halfway decent, which means you will be easily spending around, say, $7,000 per year just to create content. Now, by all means, if you can afford to spend that kind of money, you should outsource your content writing. But I couldn't do that, and I'm guessing you can't either. Which is why, over the last 12 months, my team and I have been building and perfecting a tool that any content creator would love. See, over the last few years, we have improved this tool with everything YouTube and AI had to offer. And then recently, ChatGPT was released. Honestly, I fell in love. I don't mention that to my wife, but seriously, I went to Ijlal and I asked him to upgrade our AI to the brand new ChatGPT, and he did it. So I'm excited to present to you Content Gorilla AI 2.0, now powered by ChatGPT. With this platform, you can convert a YouTube, Vimeo, or your own video into text, then automatically format that text, optimize it for SEO, and add relevant images to make it look appealing, and then publish it to your website, all in less than 60 seconds. And now you can also expand and enhance that text with ChatGPT integrated right inside Content Gorilla AI. After you extract the text from the video, you can optimize it, you can fix the grammar issues, and even add more images to your post. But that's not where it ends. You can now also take that one video and create dozens of blog posts from just that one piece of content, which is really impressive. Then you can syndicate this content to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn in just a few seconds. With Content Gorilla AI 2.0's 3-step process, creating content is as simple as it can get. Step number 1, you select the video. Step number 2, you convert it into 30 or less posts. Step 3, you publish or schedule this for later. That's how simple it is. If you can click 3 buttons, you can create and market a brand new blog that is enhanced with ChatGPT built right in less than a few minutes. Just imagine how much time and money you can save when you don't have to worry about the next content piece or worry about how you will get traffic to it. Remember I mentioned that this content would be Google friendly? Well, we added a new feature we call our AI content detection tool. This will let you know if the content that you're going to publish from the platform will be flagged by Google or not. Then you can make some tweaks and check it again. No worries about losing page rank because of AI anymore. Let the machines do what they're good at and completely automate your content creation and marketing. Now let me ask you, if you could get an app that could practically replace the need of a content writer and marketer, how much would you typically pay? $9.97? Or even at $4.97, I think this would be a steal. Now that's per month. But today is not about us making money, it's about us over-delivering. So initially we thought about offering Content Gorilla AI 2.0 at $2.97. Even then, this would be an absolute steal, but we want to raise the bar high. So for a very limited time, you can get a massive discount when you buy Content Gorilla AI 2.0 today. Note that this is only available during our public launch. After this, we intend to raise the prices and never repeat this offer again. When you buy Content Gorilla AI 2.0 today, it's almost as if you're hiring a content writer and marketer minus all the headaches that come with managing one. Just a couple of clicks will give you a high quality, search engine friendly and 100% human readable content. And another click will market it to 3 biggest social media networks for you. On top of that, you're backed with a 100% money back guarantee, which means that if for any reason you think that Content Gorilla AI 2.0 is not for you, just send us an email and we will refund you all of your money. No strings attached whatsoever. If you would like to see a detailed walkthrough of Content Gorilla AI 2.0, you can scroll down on this page. Again, I don't want to rush you, but this is a very time-sensitive offer. So if you're interested, I highly recommend that you pick up Content Gorilla AI 2.0 today, because by tomorrow, it might not be available at this price. So again, you're getting the brand new version of Content Gorilla AI 2.0 with ChatGPT integrated right inside. Tons of AI credits to get you growing your blog and attracting leads and buyers. Our AI content detection tool integrated to keep you safe from Google scans, and the ability to grab any video you want and convert it into a blog post from YouTube, Vimeo, or your collection. Plus, you're also getting our article outline creator to move from a plain text post to a powerful SEO-friendly post with section headings, grammar checker, scheduler, auto image, bulk poster, and so much more. Now the price you see below is an exclusive new release discount, and it's going to be taken away as soon as the timers on this page hit 0. So be smart, get your hands on Content Gorilla AI 2.0, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.